Hi everyone, welcome to our 60-day DevOps course. Today is our day 51 class and the topic 6 Terraform and Ansible integration. So in this video I will show you demo where I will create a EC2 by Terraform script. Then I will install Apache and deploy a website to that Apache server, and everything I will do by Ansible. So everything I use in this demo, you will get it in the documentation. So first I will create a main.tf file. So let me explain the main.tf file, what I'm trying to do. So it's AWS region. We try to use the provider AWS and we are using US East 1 region. Then I will create a key pair. So you already know how to create a key pair. So you need to put resource, then you need to use this keyword AWS underscore key underscore pair. Then you give a name, anything you can give the name of the key pair. So like this resource name is a developer. Then we give a name of the key pair. Then you need to create a SSH key. So in my case I'm using this SSH key. So if you go to the like terminal, like you can see like LL. So here is lots of like a private key already created. So in my case I'm using this one. Okay. So if you are not able to create or like SSH key, just you can use the command SSH keygen, name of the key, then it will create a key pair. So just make sure which key you are using. You give the exact location with the name of the public key. Then I will create a security group, same as like I will using resource. Then use this keyword for using the security group, then give anything name. I put here web underscore HG, then give any name, just put a description if you want. Then I will basically allow 2 port, 22 port and 80 port. For adding any port, you need to type ingress, then you can put in description, then form, and to just put which port you want to allow, and then protocol TCP. And in my case, I allow everything. Okay, same way I just use 80. And in Xgress, you just allow everything. So from 0 to port 0 and protocol -1 and allow everything. Then I will create a EC2. So for creating EC2, we need to use resource same as like we used before. Then use the keyword AW underscore instance. Then give any name. In my case, I'm using web. Then I use the AMI image. This image basically Amazon Linux 2 AMI. If you are not able to get the image name, just go to the AWS EC2, just type launch instance. Then you click browse your AMI. Then you can find all AMI resources from here. Okay. Then you need to use the instance type, which image like instance type you want to use. Then you need to use the key pair, the key name equal to AWS underscore key pair, then deploy dot key name. So we already create the key pair. So this one. So AWS key pair dot developer, then dot key name. That will basically give you the key name of the key pair. So in my case, it will give the output of the deployer dash key. So you need to like mention it here which private key or public key you need to assign with that EC2. So first you need to create the key, then you need to add this key in this EC2. In the same way, you can add the security group. So AWS security group, then security group name, then ID. Then I need to add just tag, a simple tag. You can put any name. Then I use some command. Basically, I want to run the Ansible file. Okay, so after creating the EC2, I need to wait for 60 seconds. If you don't add this 60 seconds, it will create the EC2 right away. It will try to run the file. Then basically it will didn't get that EC2, so it will throw an error. So you need to add this command sleep 60 and this is a simple just a message. It will show a message writing for instance to initialize. Then AWS host key checking equal to false. I add this one. When you try to get any new server to log in by SSH, it will ask for like yes. So if you use like if you don't basically use this one, then it will ask for the yes. Then basically it will not automatically run that deployment. You need to manually put yes. Then the system will be go further away. So if you want to skip that yes, you just need to use Ansible host key checking equal to false. Then you run the Ansible file. So you already know how to run Ansible playbook. You need to use this keyword Ansible-playbook. They need to put the IP or host name of that file. So in my case, I'm just using this IP. So public IP. After creating the EC2, it will get a public IP that will put in here. Then it will try to run that file. So for run that file, we need to use the public private key. So our private key location is this. Then it will run that Ansible file. So it is under Ansible folder. Then the file name is playbook.yml. So it will run that file, and for getting the IP of that EC2, we just use the output. It will give you the output of that file. So let me copy that file. Copy, get, and to create an Ansible folder. You want to keep all Ansible file in this folder. Now I need to explain the Ansible playbook file, which will create Ansible folder, and the name of the file is playbook.yml. What I will do in this file, if you are using Amazon Linux too, then you use this command, and if you want to use Ubuntu, then use the following command. So creating a playbook file, we already know we need to put --, then you can give any name, then host where you want to run that file or command, then become yes, it become a like root user to get the privilege. Then remote user, I use user EC2 user. Then what task I want to do, like install Apache, then the name of that package, then yum stbd, and it will install the Apache. This command will install the Apache, and this command will start the Apache, and this command it will create a file. This file is hello from Terraform plus Ansible. Then it will like copy this file in this location for www.html, that's index.html. This is the location of the web server. So now copy that file. So get Ansible, then so all file is created. Now we need to run the Terraform init and then Terraform apply. So it will download the related package for download the AWS instance related thing. And in the next one, this is for like if you are using Ubuntu, just everything is same, just you need to like a package name is different, apt, and the command is different. So Apache 2 and present same way basically we use previously. Then you need to run the Terraform init for initializing Terraform, and then run the Terraform apply. So we need to wait a little bit. It all is downloaded. So Terraform apply, then I need to put auto approve. So by this command, it will first run the Terraform script, and it will create a EC2. You can see first created key pair, then security group, then it will create a EC2. After creating the EC2, it will run that Ansible playbook file and install Apache and copy and create that index.html file. Then we can browse the website. It will take a little bit time, so let me pause the video. So when it will ready, I will come back again. So after waiting 2 minutes, you can see the EC2 is created and skip the IP. So let me copy that IP. You can see the website is running properly. So you can see how easy is this, and how easy we can deploy anything by using Terraform and Ansible. So these two tools are very important as a DevOps engineer. So Terraform is like infrastructure as a code, so we can do all installation by just running this code. That's why it's calling infrastructure as a code. So Terraform and Ansible, these two tools combined together is a very strong combination, infrastructure as a code. So that's all for today's video. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channels. And all command I use in this demo, you can get it from this location I put in the video description.